Hey y'all, it's your girl Deanna T. So behind me right now, let's get straight to it, is my dining room over here that we are going to transform into my little photo shoot area that I use for my videos and for my pictures for my website. So you guys are just going to stay tuned and see the magic and the transformation all happen. And yes, I have my tea on, my Black Friends Lives Matters, hashtag Rebellious Papiyon. And it actually will be available tomorrow, Sunday the 16th at 12 a.m. So by the time this is posted, the shirt should be available on the website. So if you like this tea, go get you one. So let's just jump into it, and all the products and all the good stuff that I have, I'll put it down in the description bar below. And if y'all, have a smaller spot and you're like, but I can't put up all the stuff I would like to do, this is what you can do. This literally takes me like 5-10 minutes to put up, take down. I mean, it's a little annoying sometimes, but if you gotta do what you gotta do, you gotta do what you gotta do. Just go hustle, But enough talking, let's get to it.
Very unlikely, my wrist ain't looking icy. Charging by the minute cause my time is very pricey. Bougie when I'm broke, so I'm bougie when I'm popping. I've been working, stock went up, check my price, then I tax my education. I'm a fashion, gonna cost a couple racks. I don't need a sugar daddy, they call me when they eat stacks. See,
this is my setup. It took me like a little over 11 minutes, but it's because I was like daydreaming. But anyway, yeah, literally you just have these lights here. I have my backdrop. I have that pole that I put up there and take it off when I'm done, and then you just put your little area wherever you would use back and you'll be done. And it's simple as that. So I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share. If you want my tea, you know where to check it out. Everything will be down below in the description. And that's it. Deanna T is out, y'all. Thanks for watching.